We will continue our counting arguments. Next we shall count the number of antisymmetric binary relations. As always, the A cross A grid or the matrix, its visualization is important as far as counting is concerned. So the definition says AB and BA implies that A and B are one and the same. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3 and if R is having just 1, 2, then it is antisymmetric. If it has 2, 1, then it is antisymmetric. It should not contain both. If it contains both, then it is not. Or it need not contain both. R is empty, then also it's fine. And along with this, it can contain pairs like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 or some subset. So along with this, it can contain maybe 1, 1 and 3, 3. And it can contain just 1, 1. So it should not contain both AB and BA, where A and B are not same. Okay. So what we will do, we will just like the way we did for symmetricity, I am having boxes. The first box is for 1, 2, 2, 1. The second box is for 1, 3, 3, 1, and so on up to A comma B, B comma A, where A and B are not same. Then I have got other boxes for 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, so on up to n comma n. Okay. Listen carefully. When we did symmetricity, we said each one should be seen as one group. But over here, 1, 2 can be present or 2, 1, but not both. One more possibility is neither 1, 2 nor 2, 1. So you can look at it this way. From this box, I can pick 1, 2 or 2, 1 or none. From this box, 1, 3 or 3, 1 or none. From each of them, you don't pick anything or exactly one pair, which is either AB or BA but not both. Which means what? From this, you can pick none or 1, 2 or 2, 1, and maybe from this none. So like this, if you see, you get a relation. Suppose I pick 1, 2, you get 1, 2. From this you get something like say 7 comma 10, and along with this any subset from this. Along with this any subset from this, together you get antisymmetric relation. From this there are 3 possibilities. From this 3 possibilities. From this 3 possibilities. And how many boxes are there? So number of boxes is n square minus n by 2. Each box has 3 possibilities. Correct? Huh? So So which means from this you have 3 into 3 into 3, so on up to this many. So number of antisymmetric relations is 3 power n square minus n by 2. From this box you either pick nothing or exactly one of them, 1 2 or 2 1. So there are 3 possibilities for this, into 3 into 3 into 3. So you get 3 power n square minus n by 2. Along with this subset, you can attach any subset from this, which is 2 power n. So this is for what? Any subset from 1 to 1 comma 1, so on up to n comma n. So I'm visualizing A cross A like this, separate diagonal elements, then upper triangular and lower triangular I'm grouping them according to this pattern, like 1 2 2 1 and 1 3 3 1. In general, A B B A, where A and B are not same. And by definition, I should not have A B and B A. And so there are 3 possibilities, neither A B nor B A, or A B or B A. So each one has got 3 possibilities. With that, you can take any subset, so you get this many relations. So this many relations are there satisfying antisymmetric property. The similar line, we can count asymmetric also. We can count number of asymmetric relations. Okay. So please note, asymmetric says AB is present, then BA should not be. Or if BA is present, then AB should not be. And or both can be absent. So which means from each of them, you have 3 possibilities again, either none, or if you include AB, BA should not be there, or if you include BA, then AB should not be there. Which means from each of them, you have exactly 3 possibilities. And how about this? If I include this, which means AB and BA are present. So if I include this, then AB. So any subset from this should not be there. Correct? Huh? So no subset from 1 1, so on up to n n. Correct? So which means number of asymmetric relations, how much? From each of them you have 3 possibilities, then 3 power n square minus n by 2, and all diagonal elements must be ignored, so you cannot include any subset from this. So number of asymmetric relations are precisely this much. Very similar to antisymmetric, group them in pairs, and from each box you include none or exactly one of them. So each one has got 3 possibilities, and this can be seen as both AB and BA, and so none from this can be part of any asymmetric relation. So number of asymmetric relations is 3 power n square minus n by 2. So on the similar line, one can ask other questions. How many relations are there which are having, say, 2 properties? And along with asymmetricity, you can ask one more. And along with antisymmetric, you can ask for one more. For example, how many antisymmetric relations are there which are reflexive also. And some of the questions you may get empty set, and some of them may not give you meaningful result, meaning it is very trivial. So but one can ask this kind of questions, counting questions, by bringing multiple properties as well. So experiment and ask meaningful questions and count. And like this, some more countings are there. You can refer scribe or assignments or practice questions to get to know more on this.